In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on the Binance app, perfect for beginners who are just starting to navigate the world of digital currencies. This tutorial aims to guide you through the process swiftly and efficiently, making sure you can purchase your first USDT within minutes. Let's begin by launching the Binance app on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so with your credentials. It's worth noting that Binance places a significant focus on security, so if you encounter any two-factor authentication steps, follow them for added protection for your account. Once you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the main dashboard. Here you'll see an option labeled Add Funds. Tapping on this will reveal several choices, but today we're focusing on Buy with Currency, or Buy Crypto. This is your gateway to transforming your traditional money into digital assets. The next step is to choose your digital currency. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting USDT, otherwise known as Tether. USDT is a popular stablecoin, meaning its value is designed to remain steady relative to a traditional currency. Now you'll need to choose your preferred payment method. Binance offers a range of options, including debit or credit cards, direct bank transfers, or even peer-to-peer, often abbreviated as P2P. Depending on your choice, different fees and processing times might apply, so select the one that best suits your needs. After choosing your payment method, it's time to decide how much USDT you want to buy. Enter the amount that fits your budget and investment plan. Once you've double checked the amount, tap Preview Order. This function provides you with a summary of your purchase, including any fees and the exact amount of USDT you'll receive. Take a moment to review this information carefully to ensure that everything looks correct. Feeling confident with what you see? Then it's time to move forward and tap Place Order. This step essentially locks in your order, preparing it for payment. Now you'll need to follow the prompts to complete your payment. The prompts will vary depending on the payment method you've chosen, so make sure to follow them precisely to proceed without any hitches. Finally, once payment is completed, the USDT will be credited to your account. You'll find it neatly placed in your spot wallet. This wallet within Binance holds all the cryptocurrencies you own, and you can check it anytime to verify or manage your holdings. And there you have it, a straightforward way to purchase USDT on Binance. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process for you, enabling you to confidently make your first or next purchase. Keep exploring, keep learning, and enjoy your journey into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned for more guides, and happy trading.